Hi everyone, my name is Christy, and in this video I just wanted to show you my little Ulta haul that I just got in the mail. I'm so excited. I had been wanting to order from Ulta for a while, and then I finally got around to it. And let me just say, I love ordering from Ulta. I placed my order online and it seriously shipped out that night. I always get such fast shipping when I order on Ulta. I also always wait to place my online order until Ulta is running a beauty break with a free gift with purchase that I really like. And they were running a Lancome beauty break with one of my favorite products. So I'm like, I'm just gonna place my order now because I'll be really happy with this gift with purchase. So that's a little tip that I have. If you're not signed up for the Ulta emails, definitely sign up because they run these little 4-hour gift with purchase beauty breaks all the time, seriously every single week. And I have gotten so many samples and free products from ordering that way. I also always wait and use my Discover cashback bonus and redeem it for an Ulta gift card. I always use a coupon code that I get in the Ulta emails, and I redeem my Ulta points. So I seriously ended up paying only $3 for everything I got in here because of the coupons, the points, and the gift card that I used. I also have magic links, which is an affiliate link. So if I linked to something on the Ulta website and I click that link, even if I don't end up buying the same product that's in the link, the sales from Ulta through that link benefit me in like a tiny little percentage that goes onto my magic link account. So just so many benefits as to why I love ordering from Ulta, and you can use those benefits as well. You don't have to have a magic link code. You can still get all of the products for, $3 if you follow those same little tips that I do. I feel like this sounds like an advertisement for Ulta or Discover Cashback, but it's not. I wish I can dream. But I figured this would be a great way for me to show you some of my favorite products that I repurchase and some new products that I picked up that I'm going to be trying out very soon in my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. So if you want to see those full dedicated review videos that I'm going to be doing on these makeup products, make sure you're subscribed to my channel. So the first product I have here, I think I show this in every Ulta haul that I do. This is the Jergens Natural Glow Wet Skin Moisturizer. And I got the medium to tan and the firming version. So I love this. I use this in the shower every single day. And this is the darker version, but it really doesn't do much at all. It's a very subtle tan. It barely does anything. Like, I don't think anyone would notice that I've been using a tanner every single day for the past months. But it just is super moisturizing for my skin, and I love that it has a firming anti-cellulite effect. Not that I've noticed any difference at all, but I just like the idea of that, and it's just so quick and easy to put on in the shower. So I love this. This is my third or fourth one that I've repurchased. And then there were a lot of new inexpensive drugstore makeup products that I picked up. So everything's in a little bag, so nice and protected, but I got the Catrice Prime and Fine Anti-Red Primer. So it's the No More Red. This was very affordable. It's with hemp oil, but I'm always talking about the redness in my skin and wanting to cover it up and reduce it. So I'm really excited to try out this green primer to help with that. I also, speaking of primers, got the Essence My Skin Perfector Tinted Primer. I just think that is so cool. A primer that comes in different shades. So I got the shade Fair Neutral, Instant Blur Effect, Natural Matte Finish. It sounds so cool. Like, I have never even heard of or thought of a tinted primer, but maybe a way to add extra coverage under your makeup. It just sounds so awesome, and I really like Essence, so I'm so excited to try that. Another just kind of daily skincare product that I picked up is Bio Oil, and this is for scars, stretch marks, things like that. And My sister says it's really good. So I always put on a scar treatment after my shower every day, and I just ran out of it, so I figured I would try this one. I put it seriously on stretch marks. I also have like scars on my hand. You may have noticed that in so many of my videos lately, I've had this like cut on my hand, and I'm trying to make it not leave a scar. So things like that, I like to use this oil for. And so I'm keeping my fingers crossed that it really works for me. Another drugstore product I picked up. This is from Maybelline. It's the Lifter Gloss. So hyaluronic acid. And I got this in the shade 4 Silk. And oh my gosh, the packaging on this is really cute. It's big, but I love plumping glosses, and it seems like the new thing is lifting glosses, and I love hyaluronic acid, so I'm really excited to try this out. I really haven't heard anything about it. Most of these makeup products I haven't heard anything about. I just kind of went to the new released makeup and I was like, oh, that sounds good, that sounds good. So that's what I bought mostly. So another product that falls into that is the Essence Bye Bye Panda Eyes Smudge Proof and Volumizing Defining Mascara. I love Essence mascaras, so I'm really excited to try this one out. Essence mascaras are very affordable, but so good. I have loved Essence mascaras, and then I buy them for people as gifts, and then they love them. And then another Essence product. This is the Stay Matte 8-Hour Liquid Lipstick. I love long-lasting lipsticks, and like I said, I love Essence, so I figured I would give this one a try. I got this in the shade Mad About You. And then here is my Beauty Break gift with purchase. So you had to spend $50, but then you got all these products for free. I also got free shipping because I spent $50. And so like I said, this is the Lancome Beauty Break gift with purchase. So it came with the Lancome Creme Mousse Comfort. I don't really know what that is. Oh, so comforting, cleansing, creamy foam with rose extracts. Ooh, for dry skin. Sounds nice, just like a nice luxurious cleanser. And then this is the Bifacial. It's a biphased micellar water makeup remover and cleanser. I love little products like this. But then the products that really sold me on the Lancome Beauty Break, the Moisturizer, that's not how you pronounce it, I'm sure. Big mascara. I have heard so many good things about this mascara, so I've been wanting to try it out for a long time, and so I can't wait to try this out. I really hope it lives up to the hype. And then my favorite game-changing mascara primer ever. This is the Sils Booster XL Base Mascara. I have a review video on this that I can have linked in the description down below if you want to see it. But I love this mascara primer. I'm always buying it, always using it. This has seriously helped my lashes grow so much longer and thicker, and I just love my lashes now. So this, in conjunction with the Babe Lash Serum, have just been complete game changers for my lashes. So I highly recommend this, but it is pricey. So when I saw that I could get it for free on this beauty break, this is just a sample size, but sample sizes last me for about a month or two. I just had to get it because I love this so much. And that is everything I got in my Ulta haul. Seriously, I ended up paying out of pocket about $3 for all of this. I just have so much fun doing my like extreme couponing, bargain hunting little Ulta hauls, but I'm also just so excited to try out these products. Let me know in the comments down below if you have tried out any of these products, or if there are any products that I showed that you are extra interested in me doing reviews on, and I will do those reviews as soon as I possibly can. Thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you in my next video.